Wow, so exciting. We've come to the end of this module. Are you not happy? I'm so happy to see the end of this module. Okay, the last topic for this module is binary system. Remember, we have done approximation, simple linear equation, angles, linear inequalities, fractions, then indices and standard form. And now the last topic for this module is binary system, and it's going to be fun because this will be the last class for this module. I'm going to miss you, right? Okay, now today we want to look at binary system. What is binary system? From the word bi, that is binary numbers, binary system. Okay, binary number are numbers in base 2. In binary numbers, we only have 0 and 1, and sometimes we call it computer language, and that is the only language computer understand. Okay, now under this topic we are going to see how to convert from one base to another. We are also going to see how to add binary numbers together, how to subtract, and how to multiply, and also how to divide binary numbers. Okay, let's start with converting from base 2 to base 10. Okay, now how can we convert base 2? Base 2 is also known as binary. How can we convert that? Let's look at this example. Convert 1 0 1 1 base 2 to base 10. Solution. Please pay attention. 1 0 1 1 base 2 equals to, what are we going to do? You start from your right hand side, start counting from 0 0 1, tell me the next, 2, okay, tell me the next, 3, okay. Now pay attention, pick this one, multiply it by 2, okay, plus, pick this 0, multiply it by 2, plus, pick this 1, multiply it by 2, plus, pick the last one, multiply it by 2. Now 0 1 2 3, start from here. 0 1 2 3. Okay, this is 1 times 2 raised to power 3 means 2 in 3 places, times 3, 2 is 0, times 2 times 2, plus 1 times 2, 2 in 1, just 1, plus 1 times, oh, what's going to happen to 0 here? You remember law of indices? Any number with the power of 0 is what? 1. Okay. 1 times 2, tell me class, 2. 2 times 2 what? 4. 4 times 2, what? 8. So we have 8. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. Plus 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 1, 1. This will give us 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. So it will give us 11 base what? Base 10. And I want you to I want to remind you, 11 is different from 1, 1 when we are dealing with binary numbers. So this is just a conversion from base 2 to base 10. Now let's look at converting from base 10 to base 2. Converting from base 10 to base 2. Okay. Example. Convert 39. Okay. 39 base 10 to binary. Let's do it together. Are you ready? Okay. You are going to use this method. 39. Remember, we are converting to base 2. So, the number you are going to use here all through will be what? 2. Okay. So, we use 2 to divide 39. How many 2 can we get in 3? It's 1. Remainder 1. The 1 that remains, put it at the front of 9. It will give you 19. How many 2 can we get in 19? It's 9. Because 2 times 9 is 18. Remainder 1. 2. How many 2 can we get in 19? 2 times 9 is 18. Right? So, this will give us 9. Remainder what? 1. 2 in 9. How many 2 can we get in 9? 2 times 4 is 8. 4. Remainder 1. How many 2 can we get in 4? 2. Remainder what? 2, right? Oh, it's 0. 0. How many 2 can we get in 2? It's 1. Remainder what? 0. Then, how many 2 can we get in 1? It's not possible. It's 0. You bring the 1 here. So, we start counting from down, up. 39 base 10 equals to 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, base 2. So, this is just a simple way of converting from base 10 to base 2. And I hope you understand this. You can use this method to solve any question in converting from base 10 to base 2. Before we leave this class, let's see another part of this binary system, and we call it addition of binary system. I'll give you an example of this addition of binary system, and you can use it for multiplication. You can also use it for division. Now, let's look at this example together. Example. Add 101 base 2 plus 111 base 2. I'm going to show you two methods, so you choose the one that will be okay for you. 101 base 2 is 0, 1, 2. 1 times 2, 2, plus 0 times 2, 1, plus 1 times 2 is 0. Okay, this one will give us 1 times 2 times 2, plus 0 times 2, plus 1 times 1. This will give us 1 times 2, 2, 2 times 2, 4. 0 times 2 is 0. 1 times 1, 1. This will give us 5 base 10. Pick the second one, 1, 1, 1 base 2, 0, 1, 2. 1 times 2, 2, plus 1 times 2, 1, plus 1 times 2 is 0. 1 times 2 raised to power 2 will give us 4. 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. This one will give us 4 plus 2 plus 1. This one will give us 7 base 10. Remember, we are adding. Add this together. You have 101 base 2 plus 111 base 2 equals to 7 base 10 plus 5 base 10. Okay, 7 plus 5 is going to give us 12. 12 base 10. Now, remember that this is in base 10 and we're asked to find this in base 2. So what are we going to do? Just convert 12 base 10 to 2. How many 2 can we get in 12? 6, remainder 0. How many 2 can we get in 6? 3, remainder 0. How many 2 can we get in 3? 1, remainder 1. How many 2 can we get in 1? 0, remainder 1. So you start from the bottom. It will give you, answer will be 1, 1, 0, 0, base 2. Okay? So you can use this method for subtraction also. Once you get your days and you get this, you subtract and you get your answer. You can use it also for multiplication. Now, before we leave this class, let me give you the final method, the short method you can use to find this this solution to this question. 101 base 2, 111 base 2. You need to understand 1 plus 1 is not 2 in binary. 1 plus 1 is 10. Are you following me? It's 10. And you write 0, you carry 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Plus 1 you carry. 1 plus 1 is 10. You write 0, you carry 1 again. 1 plus 1 is 10. Plus 1 you get, it will give you 1, 1. Base 2. Okay? Can you see this is very short, but you have to be very careful. You need to know the rule before you can use this method to solve it. So anyone you say that is very simple for you, you can apply. You remember we have 3 modules. We've just come to the conclusion of the first module. We've done approximation, simple linear equation, angles, linear inequalities, fractions, indices, and standard form, and the final one, which is binary system. Thank you very much. Let me remind you again, you can send your feedback to us through the WhatsApp number. You can see it on the screen. We will be very happy to get your feedback. And you remember, at the end of this module, we are writing exam. And I believe that you are getting ready for this exam, because I will be happy if you get it right in your exam. What is exam? Examination will have 50 objectives just for 1 hour. And how will you do that? You do that right there at the comfort of your house. Thank you very much. We'll see you next module.